With over 1,000 dating apps out there, it's hard to know the best dating app to choose. So in this video, I'm going to reveal my top 5 dating apps that are changing the game in 2025. This will help you find your perfect match faster, smarter, and more fun than ever before. So make sure you stick around for the #1 dating app you need. And not only that, I will also show you how you can get more matches with these dating apps using AI. All right, so we're going to start with number 5, which is Facebook dating. This is a feature in the Facebook app, and what it does is that it allows users to find potential romantic partners. It's good for casual dating. So if you're someone with demanding schedules like work, school, or other commitments who don't have the time or energy for a serious relationship but still want companionship, then this is for you. And it's very easy to find love. You simply have to send likes and messages to people you're interested in. Once someone likes you back, you'll match and can start chatting and dating. It's simple. And the good part is that it doesn't have any premium features, meaning it's 100% free. The 4th dating app on the list is Seeking, which is formerly called Seeking Arrangement. It's one of the best American dating platforms, which has over 46 million global members. What makes Seeking special is that it's mainly for people looking for hookups. It's designed to help people connect quickly and easily for fun and short-term relationships. So if that's what you're looking for, this might be the app for you. You just need to download the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Then go ahead and sign up for a free account. Seeking also has a web version. So if you want to use your laptop, you can simply sign up or log in from there and start finding matches. Number 3 is Bumble. In fact, I love Bumble. I have over 200 dates on Bumble, and I've met future girlfriends there. Some even want a marriage. Lots of my friends have met their girlfriend and most of them are now married. Yeah, I'm serious. Majority of women there are looking for a long-term relationship, but it's also good for casual dating. So if you're looking for a short-term relationship or hookup, then you should try Bumble. All right, so the 2nd dating app on this list is Tinder. It's the world's most popular dating app with over 55 billion matches to date, making it the place to meet new people. What I love about Tinder is that it uses location-based algorithms to show potential matches nearby, and users can set preferences for age, distance, and interests. Tinder is for casual dating, but many people also use Tinder for long-term relationships. You can also use Tinder without paying. But if you want features like unlimited swipes, boosts, and super likes to enhance the matching experience, then you'll need a premium plan. And finally, we have Hinge. Hinge is my favorite dating app, and you must get it today. In fact, every guy must get Hinge today. You see, it's heartbreaking when you message someone on a dating app and you didn't get a response. But for Hinge, the women there are wonderful. They always respond to messages, even if they don't like you. And another good thing about Hinge is that the majority of women on Hinge are looking for relationships. And anyone can do well on Hinge, no matter your age, whether you're 20, 30, 25, 40, 50, and so on. You can still do well on Hinge. Another fun fact about Hinge is that less than 1% Hinge profiles are fake or scams. So you got to be careful. Now, there's one particular way to get more matches on these dating apps using AI. I know it sounds complicated, but I've been using this trick for a while now, and the result is mind-blowing. You can also follow this simple strategy and get more matches. All right, simply go to this website called AI Dating Assistant. You'll find the link in the video description. Now go ahead and sign up and you'll get a page like this. All right, so you're gonna generate photos and upload it on your dating profile. And these are not normal photos. I'm talking about photos that will get you hundreds of matches every single day. So what you're gonna do is to get at least 10 photos of yourself. Then let's move on. All right, so we're gonna start by clicking the Create Photo Model tab right here. Now, before you go ahead to upload the photos, you need to read these instructions. Now scroll down and click here to upload the photos you want to use. All right, we have 10 files selected here. Perfect. Let's give a name to our model. Then select a gender by clicking here. Now let's click this button below, then wait for the model to be created. Normally this takes a couple of minutes. All right, the model is created, and if we click on the Select Model tab, you can see the model we just created here. Let's click on it. Now, to generate the photos, which are going to get you more matches, you need to select any of these templates. Let's use the travel template as an example. So we're going to click on this green button here, then click on Yes. Now you can see the photos are being generated. All you have to do now is to relax and wait for the results. Awesome. Just check these photos. Looks so amazing. Now, go ahead and save these photos to your device, then upload them to your profile. Doing this, you're going to get lots of matches. Remember, there are lots of templates on this website, so make sure you try them to get lots of photos for your dating profile. If you enjoy the video, simply leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.